Hi there, welcome back to another video. If you're having a cold and slow morning, then this video is for you. This will make you feel more energized. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to practice with me. So let's get started. Having a wall can be an advantage, so use it. So let's get started. First and foremost, sit comfortably. Hands over your heart and belly, or over your knees, wherever you feel most comfortable at. Keep your spine straight, head, chin is parallel to the ground, and just breathe in and out. Center yourself with your breathing pattern and allow yourself to breathe in and out with all the awareness. Take 3 to 5 rounds of breath, staying with your breath and trying to focus on your breath continuously. And then after a couple of rounds, just start making some movement and gently open your eyes. Take your hands over your shoulder and start rolling your shoulder from forward to backward. Make big circles around. 5 to 10 rounds should be good enough. With your breath, and then from backward to forward, try to touch both the elbows together when you bring them in front of your body. Rotate with a bigger circle and then hands down. Now inhale, right hand goes up, and as you exhale, stretch. Give a good nice stretch to right side of your body. Keep your chest open. Look way ahead of your right underarm. And then with exhale, you release your hands and change to the other side. This time do it the other ways and feel the stretch on the left side of your body. It is important to keep yourself aware and do not round your chest here. Now take your hands and grab the elbows using the other respective palms. Feel the changes and the sensation and stretch on your shoulder as you inhale, look up, and with exhale, you fold forward. Stay here for 3 breaths. And then inhale, come up gently, give a quick bend to your spine, and then exhale, release your hands. Now start making some bigger circles by keeping the hands active to the sides of your body in both the direction. And then from here, gently come on your both the knees on all your fours, where shoulders and palms are in a line and your hips and knees are in a line. Start making some movement to warm up your wrists. And then as you inhale, look up. Exhale, curl your spine, chin to chest. Inhale, create the extension. Exhale, look at the navel. Inhale all the way up. And then exhale. Inhale again. Exhale, curl your spine. Inhale, take a longer breath. And as you exhale, chin to chest. Inhale. Exhale. And as you inhale, extend the right hand and eventually the left leg. Extend really well. And then exhale to chest. Inhale, extension, and then exhale, release. Now do the same from the left side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, extend. Exhale, squeeze, and then release. Now bring your shoulders down, extend your hands in front of the body, and practice thread the needle Keep your right hand 90 degree to the left hand and breathe. Now do the same from the other side. Breathe nicely. Exhale, release. Now extend the hands in front of the body and fold the hand to warm up your shoulder blades even more. And then sit upright. Now, as you inhale, bring the right foot between both the palms. Center yourself, take wall support if you have to. Lengthen your upper body, hands at the heart center. Possibly raise above your head. And then exhale back to chest. Hands goes down. And then bring the right foot back. Do the same. Bring the left foot in between the palms. Hands at the heart center. Use wall support like I said. Continue breathing. Keep your hips squared. Inhale, raise hands up. Exhale, hands back to heart center. And then release. Now from here, come on all your knees and then support your lower back as you inhale, get into a back bend. And try to grab the right toe using the right palm and extend the left hand if that is possible. Continue breathing, keeping the chest open. Exhale, release. Now do the same on the left heel. Extend the right hand. Breathe and hold the pose. And then with exhale, release comfortably. And now tuck your toes in. And if possible, grab both the heels using both the hands and practice the full camel pose, Ushtarasana. Breathe in and out here. Exhale, release. Get into a child's pose. Extend the arms in front of the body. Relax here. And then from here, bring the right foot next to the right palm and feel the stretch in your hips and hamstrings. Fold the back leg, hold it using the hand in the lizard pose, and then extend the back leg. Keep looking in between both the palms or forward and breathe nicely. And then eventually drop the knee with control and release. Now bring the left foot forward. Fold the back leg. Grab it. Breathe. And then release. Now lift off the back knee. Hold the pose and breathe. Then exhale, release the knee and bring the leg back. Now from here, come on halfway. You can keep your knee slightly bent. Extend the hands in front of the body. Squat down. Come halfway. Inhale here. Get into a deeper squat. Exhale. Continue breathing and keep practicing. Do it for 5 to 10 rounds. Now, this time, get into a squat and try to hold it for 3 breaths. And then from here, stand halfway to practice ragdoll by holding the hands by with support in between, and then start rolling from right to left. Bring the feet back into downward facing dog. Keep the heels hip width apart. Start paddling the knees one at a time, having a strong foundation over the palms. As you move your legs, you continue to breathe. And then eventually hold the downward facing dog for up to 5 breaths, and then release and fold the right knee, bring it close to the right elbow. Do the same with the left knee. Then bring the right knee and then push it back all the way. Use the core strength and hip flexibility and release. Do the same with the other leg. Hold it up there. Fold the knees into bear hold and release. Bring it down parallel to the yoga mat and push it back into downward. Continue doing, and while having a really strong foundation with your hands, and then exhale and get into a child's pose. Try to lower down your hips as far as you can. Extend the arms in front of the body to best of your capability and breathe. Breathe deeper. Inhale and exhale. Feel the rejuvenation and then sit upright. Now from here, we will lie down on our back over the yoga mat. Fold both the knees together. And then, as you inhale, lift your hip up high. Breathe and release. Again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And if possible, try to grab your hips using your hands and bring the elbows close to your body to have a better alignment, and breathe. Hold it up there and continue breathing. And then with the exhale, gently release the hands and lower down your hips. Now fold the knees, bring close to your chest and hug your knees. Try not to strain your neck and head. Breathe nicely. As you exhale, lower down your feet. Bring the right knee close to your chest and extend the left leg by not touching the yoga mat. Breathe. Use your core strength. Now do the same from the left leg. Fold it. Extend the right leg parallel to the yoga mat. Now with exhale, release and extend the legs to the sides of the yoga mat, hands to the side of the body or over the chest or belly to feel the breath. Exhale and inhale. As you inhale, you see your belly going up, and as you exhale, you let your belly sink in. Feel the breath and allow your body to sink in with your inhalation and exhalation process. Breathe nicely and let your body feel relaxed, calm. Try not to move your body physically, but stay very present with your breath. To start with, let your legs feel relaxed and comfortable. Your hips, your pelvic floor, your entire leg, your feet, your shin bone, your calf muscle, knees, thighs, groin, feeling relaxed and comfortable. Let your lower back, middle back, upper back, shoulder blade, entire hand, fingers, chest, belly, everything is feeling relaxed. Let your facial muscle, the entire face, head, back of the head, feeling relaxed and comfortable. Once you feel relaxed enough, stretch your body in a single line by making some movements and then turn to either side of your body. Take the floor support and sit upright. Take few rounds of breath after sitting to be in the same flow of the state. And whenever you start feeling like you are ready to end your practice, you can start making some movement and rub your palm, gather the energy over the face and body, and gently open your eyes and look in between the palms. I hope you had a good practice with me and you keep practicing to start making your mornings even better, especially on slow, lazy winter mornings. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and bye bye.